Hanan, and so today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how I use my Hot Tools blow drying brush. And seriously guys, this thing is amazing. My best friend Emma actually introduced it to me, and I've been just like basically living off of it. So the first thing I do is I get out of the shower, my hair is wet, and then I put on this Thermique keratin leave-in oil. And so after you do that, I basically put in 2 types of leave-in conditioner heat protectants, and you guys can use whatever you think is best for you. It doesn't have to be the products that I'm using. So one that I really love, I bought from Sephora, is this KERASTASE, basically it's like a purple leave-in conditioner. I never know if I'm saying the name right. So this is the product right here. So yeah, so basically I just like split my hair in half, and then I use 2 pumps on each side, and you will want to just like fully spread it. I like to leave it on the bottom of my hair, the bottom half, because that's where I have mainly the blonde areas, and my hair is very brittle and dry. So the reason I do this is because I'm using 2 types of leave-in conditioners. So then the other half, there we go. And then the second one I use is this is the same brand, but this one is actually the Nectar Thermique. So basically it's another leave-in conditioner. So this one I will go ahead and spread between all of my hair as well as the roots. So the same thing, I will get, let's say, almost like a dime size of this product for half of my hair. And then I would do the same for the other half. So we'll focus on the bottom, a little bit on the roots. You don't want to put too much on the roots because I have really oily hair. So I just don't put too much up there. But basically this is the only product that will be reaching my roots. Okay, so after that, I will comb it. So as you can see, I have curly to wavy hair, and it tends to frizz when I leave it curly. So we are going to go ahead and clip it before blow drying. Actually no, I messed up. We are going to like blow dry it since it's really soaking wet. So we're going to air dry it for a little bit, because the Hot Tools blowing brush, I don't like to use it when my hair is fully wet. I feel like it will damage my hair. So yeah. After I have clipped it and left out a part of my hair to blow dry, I like to split it in half. And this is when you start blow drying. This is the fun part. So I usually use it on the highest settings. So you will throw it up, blow dry, twist inwards, redo until it's straight in the way you like it, with a little bit of curls on the bottom. So this will give you like these loose curls at the ends, and I love it so much. You can always also, as you can see here, it's a little bit poofy. You can go in and blow dry it underneath, but very lightly, and just don't pass it to the bottom that much, and it'll still hold its curl. and this is the finishing touch. Look at these curls, how cute they are and how bouncy. So this is how I wear my hair on a daily basis. So these curls, they usually last me, I wash my hair every 3 days, so they usually last 3 days. And if not, I usually just end up bunning my hair up top in a bun, and once I let it go, I end up having these curls again, or even nicer. So yeah, I love it. This is how I always wear my hair. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this works out for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave any comments or suggestions down below in the comment box. Thank you!